Thank you po.
And for this year, I consider you as one of those who provided breakthrough performance.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Hindi lang kilig, no? Pati yung acting in general. Oo. Anong favorite scene mo ni Clark and ano na? Sino
Yung
talaga
hubad
nagpakita ng
yung
husay
hubad
yung dalawa?
Yung favorite scene ko is related dun sa question.
Ay,
which
wow.
is Yung,
Sige.
yung
Alright.
goodbye scene at the airport.
Ay, oo.
So,
Ay, oo.
what's going on your mind at that time na scene na yun? Kasi parang ramdam na ramdam ko yung heartbreak talaga. And then, kudos to the creative team and then yung sa cameraman. Ang ganda ng execution sa mga kamay, ganyan. So, what were on your mind during that time?
The airport scene.
Ako po, yung nasa isip ko po actually is yung family ko. Like, oo, isa lang si Clark, pero like, yung nai-imagine ko po, what really made me cry,
Ay, oo.
was yun po yung iwan ko po yung family ko.
For me, actually, madali akong pumasok sa eksena kasi it's so emotional. As in, I didn't have much time. I didn't need much time to prepare. Like, I was already there. I was so into character, and it's such an emotional scene, so heavy. I don't know. I just jumped straight in, and yeah.
And it was really well executed.
Kasi si Leia Cargado the breakup with Clark and the revelation that the mom
Pinalang po.
has a new family na. Okay, Albert?
Ano yung most memorable kissing scene that you had?
Ay, nakailan na ba? Tatlo, no? Tatlong...
Siguro
Which-
paulit-ulit.
5 na paulit-ulit. Pero ano yung
Sa
which is the
nose?
most memorable?
Sa nose talaga.
O baka naman may na-shoot nyo na hindi pa namin napapanood.
Most approved kiss.
The most approved kiss
Most
happened
memorable kasi
where?
Ang haba.
In fairness, at may karga pa.
Yeah, kasi
Yung nakuha ko po yung green card. Yung nakuha po nila yung green card niya. Yun po. Nagulat din po kami nung pinalabas kasi nung ginawa po namin yung 3 kiss lang po yun, Rusty, di ba? 3 kiss lang
Binilang ng fans 11.
2 kiss lang po yun, tapos nung pinalabas
Adlib
na
na
po.
kiss, may such thing as adlib na kiss, Leia. Sorry na.
Hindi po. Hindi po. Nagulat po kami nung pinalabas na. Ang dami po. Katabi ko po yung mom ko nung nanonood. Magkasama
Oh,
kami.
no.
Tapos nung pinapakita sa'yo, more than 3 na po, tinignan ko siya. Nakaganon lang. So, yun po.
Ayun. The most approved kiss, ang favorite kissing scene nila.